Okay, got another mountain house job to look at here. Possible zoning involved. So we're going to take a look at this and see if we can quote it. So actually this is a rebuild. It's not a total new construct house. And he's had a couple of HVAC systems in here throughout the time he's lived here. And he has the basement set up as a separate apartment type, mother-in-law type suite. And quite a view from the upper deck and the master suite and all of that. And looks like he's got a spiral staircase coming down here. So I don't know how completely separate it is. You'd have to like your mother-in-law pretty well. Quite a nice yard here. And looks like there's some remnants of the old HVAC. So this definitely a rebuild. Nice little church steeple way off in the distance there. If that's lit up at night, I bet it's, look. If you look way up in those foothills, you see another church steeple. Quite a view. And I believe we'll get this job. And we'll keep you posted if we do. So, I guess this is the front door, but on a mountain house with a view, you don't really make your front door the centerpiece, so to speak. And here's the end out here where they had the condensing units. There's the view from up top. So even though this is the front door and the front, what would be considered the front of the house, it's not exactly. He's in there talking to somebody, so I'm not going to say anything when I walk in here.
I took my notes there. I'll get roughly just for the pre-wire.
Okay.
I'll put it in my room.
Perfect.
So I can see.
That's perfect. I'll committed to getting you a decision real soon.
Really nice view. Outdoor fireplace.
Focus on the roofing stuff and the other stuff.
Big basement. So this is a pretty nice place, or at least it will be again. It's got quite a bit to do. Got a main level garage, drive-in, and a basement garage. All right, well that was quite a neat house, and here's another one here that's his neighbor. I don't know how much we're going to be able to see of it. That's kind of what we call a cliffhanger house. And there's another pretty cool one over there. There you go, if you can get a small shot of that. We call that a cliffhanger. And it is quite the contemporary design, and that is going to be the son and daughter-in-law of the house with all the glass that you see over there. Not very visible this time of year. But, and here is the top half of that one. And they've got a little small, not sure what you would call that. But there's another house on the other side of that we were looking at first. So the gates are opening to let us out. And yeah, this mountain here is incredibly close to all of the city and townships of this area, and so it's not like we live and operate in a real mountainous area. There's just one big mountain here called Paris Mountain, and there's a lot of really neat places up here on it, and somehow we end up recommended by, I mean, we did maybe our first house up here maybe 20 years ago, and we've actually been back to that house a couple of times. They've added on to it, but you know, it's relatively it's kind of like a community, and they all get to know each other. The point is, I'm pretty sure we'll get that job. It has been quoted by a couple of other companies before he was given my name, just basically on a referral basis. And he of course researched who we are and, you know, our stature in the community and all, or in the industry I should say, locally. And so he says he would like to hire us and like for us to do the job. But it will be a relatively difficult and time consuming job. This time of year, it can definitely tax your resources. So we're going to price it accordingly, and if it suits his needs, we're going to come do it. Obviously, just like we did with the last new construct, we did a new construct at Geo House with the 2 geothermals in it. It's almost done now. Obviously, just like we did with that one, we'll get some footage before, during, and after. But I just thought I would show you a little bit of what my day was like today and what we looked at. And we're going to have his quotes ready in a couple of days and see if we can get the job. So we'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching. All right, we called in here behind another company that put a package unit in, and the homeowner said something about not completely sealed up, or the way it's installed or something, and I think I see kind of the difficulty it's got right now. Ducted up between that chimney. Nice black pad. So let's see. I see. So the flashing, a little bit open there. Let's get the light on.